Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove tagged photos on Instagram, follow these step-by-step instructions to control what appears on your profile and maintain your image. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Tap on the tagged photo icon, which looks like a person silhouette in a frame, located next to your post grid. Step 3. Browse through all photos where you have been tagged by others. Step 4. Find a photo you want to remove from your tagged section and tap on it to open the full image. Step 5. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the photo. Step 6. Select Remove Me from Post to untag yourself from the photo. This will remove it from your tagged section, but not delete it from the original poster's account. Step 7. Instagram will ask you to confirm this action. Tap Remove to proceed. Step 8. Alternatively, if you want to hide the photo from your profile without untagging yourself, tap Tag Options instead. Step 9. Select Hide from Profile, and the photo will no longer appear in your tagged section, but you will still be tagged in it. Step 10. Repeat this process for any additional tagged photos you want to remove or hide from your profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.